My knowledge of working across multiple domains helps me to be a good product manager. My name is Poulami Mukherjee, and currently I am the part of the ICPM cohort in IPL. On the professional background, I am currently working with Standard Chartered Bank as an associate manager. So though I am not a product manager as such, but I am currently into a product owner sort of a role, where I work with the sprint management, agile methodology along with the engineering teams. So whenever a new innovation or any product is getting in the market, I have seen in the forefront it's always the product leaders. So that fascinated me, and that also motivated me that I can also be a product leader someday in future. So I'll begin with the search part. So while I was searching for the different courses that different platforms were offering, why IPL attracted me? Its certification that is from US and not only from India, so that has more weightage towards it. Also, I went through some of the faculty profiles, and I found that they were much experienced, which also as compared to the other platforms that are currently into the market, and also the tenure or the duration through which IPL is there in this platform of delivering the product management related courses. So these are the three major keys criteria which helps me decide to take part in here. Talking about the course, so far I had done like the product Launchpad course, then the design course, agile, and currently I am in the GTM course. So all these courses have actually touched the different aspects of how a product manager's day-to-day life works. Talking about other thing other than the course, it's the Talentathon and the Skillathons that frequently happens. Irrespective of which batch you are, you can freely participate in those. So that has given me the opportunity to reach out to a hiring manager, which otherwise was not possible for me. I would say that entire course structure is designed in such a way that it is very enjoyable for a full-time professionals like us. So we hardly get some break time. So on the weekends, whenever we are like engaging with the rest of our teammates, the classes are structured. It's like the professors prefer asking one-on-one question rather than running through a PPT. So all the classes that I have attended have been really fun-filled and are very engaging. Apart from that, we have been given a capstone on a weekly or a bi-weekly basis, for which we need to collaborate with other members from the same cohort. So while working on those capstone also, I found that it's very enjoyable, because I get to interact with other people and about the same product how others are thinking. So how can you translate the case study that you have used, the frameworks that you have used in your solving the past case study into a different product? And those translations that should run through your mind very fast, because hardly you will get 2 to 3 days to complete one case study. So accordingly, you need the preparations.